AI won't replace you. Somebody who knows how to work with AI will. According to Forbes, about 75 to 78% of employers now are looking for people who have AI fluency as a skill in their resume. There are students out there, about 90%, according to a study, that have either reported trying or are currently using generative AI. Generative AI is much more than just asking chat a question. It's definitely about learning how you can contextualize it to your own experience, the ability to determine what AI is, what it isn't, and the ability to determine what tools to use and how to use them correctly. And that's where the Digital Learning Center comes in. One of the big, pushes that we've had in the last year and a half is developing resources for students to gain AI literacy skills. And one of the things that we've developed recently is a Microcredential. I wrote it, and it was about AI literacy, what it is, what it isn't, how it's showing up in careers. AI is truly about keeping the human in the loop, understanding that you, as the user of this tool, have much more value than whatever the output it gives you. And that's just something I would start with. Start exploring, start early, start often.